everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Putra. Okay, so today we will learn thumb fan card trick like this. It's cool, right? I want to learn how to do it. This is my card deck. I have old card deck here. Okay guys, if I want to create a big fan, instead of like this, from like this into like this, I need to move it like this. Okay, so it need to be in this side instead of like this. It should be like this, and this one pointing to the corner. And my other mistake is it's get stuck here. Here, it's stuck. Because it should be this big. Yeah, it's something like this. It should be this big. It needs to go here. Okay, let's try it again. Another things that I just learned that about the pressure of the right thumb and the incline at the start. See this one. So when we do this, we need to make sure the cards are inclined like this, a little bit inclined. And the hard part, I think, for learning this is to get used with the pressure to do this one. Yeah, because you need to put some pressure on the right thumb. Sometimes become like this, sometimes like this. So I need to get used to the pressure of my thumb. Sup. Oh, see? Oh. So I almost there. It's been 30 minutes and I think I already get used to it. But the problem is the sticky part of my cards. And the tutorial said to avoid using sticky cards, because the result will be like this. So let's try to buy a new card deck. Okay? We will throw this. I just realized I got lucky. All the cards throw there. Very good. Okay guys, this is the new card deck. I will try to use this and let's see if there's a difference using the old deck or the new deck. Okay, it's really smooth. Oh, it's different feeling. Really, I think you need to buy a new card deck. Cannot use like that, the old one. This is really smooth. Oh. Okay, let's see. See? I can make it like this. I think I need to get used with the thumb pressure. It's already good. I think I'm get used with the pressure. Cool, right? I think I already confident enough to do it. I already have good memory about the pressure of the thumb and also the hand movement. So let's check the result of my learning. Okay, so I already get used to it. Incline and then hand movement like this. Cool, right? And close it. Sup. Okay, one more time. Let's see. Okay, see? Close it. Sup. Okay, so it's the closing. It's not really smooth because I'm still practicing. See, I can do it anytime. Okay, and let's try again. Okay, I already get used with the pressure. See, cool, right? Woohoo! Okay guys, so I already successfully learned how to do the thumb fan card trick like this. It's not really perfect, but at least I know how to do it now. Okay? Yee. Bam. Bam. Okay guys. Yeah. Nice, right? Success! That's all guys. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have another idea for learning with me, you can comment in this video. Thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video. Learn with Putra. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so you will be notified about my latest video and updates. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it. See you on the next video. Learn with Putra. Bye.